Everything written in the Bible, everything written in the Bible are facts. They are all not the truth. If you can't find the truth from the facts, you mix it. You will become ashamed presenting God if you have or put on the wrong lens, because you'll be seeing God on the left side. You won't see him on the right side. Somebody, are you with me? Praise God. So for you to get these things clear, I want us to start with 2 Samuel chapter number 2. Please fast. 2 Samuel chapter number 2. Any translation matter, doesn't matter. 2 Samuel chapter number 2. I'll read from verse 1. Everybody listen. It says, sorry, it's not 1 Samuel. 1 Samuel, please. 1 Samuel chapter 2. 1 Samuel chapter 2 from verse 1. It said, then Hannah prayed. And look at Hannah's prayer. My heart rejoices in the Lord. The Lord has made me strong. Now I have an answer for my. You will have answer for your enemies. I rejoice in this testimony because it gladdens and paves way for what I'm giving to us this morning. One of us told us this morning that there was an issue, and that issue was staring at her face, and to her it was going to be a shameful thing. Are you there? And she said, and they came together, beckoned on this God that they have been presenting, because it's not about us. Christianity is not about you. That's why anytime people see you, it means you have not had him.